How does CPA affiliate marketing differ from traditional affiliate marketing? Are you tired of struggling to make a consistent income through affiliate marketing? Have you heard of CPA, cost per action, marketing and wondered if it could be a better fit for your business? If you keep watching this video until the end, I have a surprise for you that will help you find a website that can help you make $300, so keep on watching until the end. Imagine being able to scale your ability to make money online through a proven and profitable marketing strategy like CPA marketing. Let me show you how CPA affiliate marketing differs from traditional affiliate marketing and how you can learn to harness its potential to achieve financial success. CPA affiliate marketing is different from traditional affiliate marketing in that you are paid for a specific action, such as a lead or sale, rather than just for clicks or impressions. This makes CPA marketing a more efficient and cost-effective way to generate revenue for your business. To scale your ability using CPA marketing, you need to understand the basics of the industry and find the right CPA offers to promote. You can do this by joining top CPA networks and learning from experienced marketers in the industry. With the right knowledge and strategy, you can turn CPA marketing into a profitable and scalable business that provides you with financial freedom and stability. Are you tired of the hit-or-miss nature of traditional affiliate marketing? Do you want to find a more consistent and profitable way to make money online? Have you heard of CPA, cost per action, marketing and wondered if it could be the solution you've been looking for? Then keep on watching this video until the end, so you can learn how to reach your financial freedom. Imagine being able to scale your ability to earn a steady income online through a proven and efficient marketing strategy like CPA marketing. Let me show you the ins and outs of CPA affiliate marketing and how you can learn to use it to achieve financial success. CPA affiliate marketing is a type of performance-based marketing where you are paid for a specific action, such as a lead, sale, or sign-up, rather than just for clicks or impressions. This makes CPA marketing a more efficient and cost-effective way to generate revenue for your business, as you are only paying for results. One of the key benefits of CPA marketing is that it allows you to scale your ability to make money online. With traditional affiliate marketing, you may only earn a commission on a sale if the customer makes a purchase. With CPA marketing, you can earn a commission for a wide range of actions, such as a lead, sign-up, or survey completion, which can provide you with a more consistent and reliable stream of income. To get started with CPA marketing, you need to have a solid understanding of the industry and the best practices for success. Joining top CPA networks and learning from experienced marketers in the industry can help you gain the knowledge and skills you need to succeed. Additionally, you need to find the right CPA offers to promote and develop a solid strategy for reaching your target audience and converting them into leads or sales. One way to scale your ability with CPA marketing is to continuously test and refine your strategy to optimize your results. This can include testing different promotions, offers, and marketing channels to see what works best for your business. With a continuous focus on improvement and a willingness to adapt to new developments in the industry, you can turn CPA marketing into a scalable and profitable business that provides you with financial freedom and stability. As you keep watching this video until the end, I have a surprise for you. In the description, I leave 15 websites where you can make at least $300. Also, I leave a link where you can participate in a range of giveaways, fill up the form or answer the survey to participate and win one or more prize. Subscribe to my channel so you can receive notifications of more giveaways. So what are you waiting for? Get started on your journey toward financial success through CPA marketing today.